Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use QuickBooks Invoice with an easy method. First, let's get started by creating a new invoice. Simply click the New button, usually found on your dashboard, and then select Invoice from the options. Next, choose the customer you're billing from your existing list, or quickly add a new one if they are not already in your system. Finally, input the services or products you've provided, specifying the quantity and your agreed-upon rate for each item. Now, let's make your invoice truly yours. You can add a custom message or specific terms and conditions that apply to this particular transaction. This ensures clear communication with your client. Don't forget to apply any discounts or sales tax that might be relevant to the total amount. QuickBooks makes it simple to calculate these additions. You can also attach important documents, like a signed contract or project photos, directly to the invoice for easy reference. Once your invoice is complete, it's time to send it out. Always take a moment to review all the details to ensure accuracy before sending. You can email the invoice directly to your customer from within QuickBooks, saving you time and effort. After sending, QuickBooks automatically tracks the invoice status, letting you know if it's been sent, viewed by your client, and most importantly, when it's been paid. This gives you a clear overview of your outstanding receivables. Finally, let's cover receiving payments and understanding your financial health. When a payment comes in, easily record it against the correct invoice in QuickBooks. This keeps your records accurate and up to date. You can also generate various reports, like sales by customer or outstanding balances, to gain valuable insights into your business performance. Remember to reconcile your bank accounts regularly to ensure all recorded payments match your bank statements, maintaining precise financial control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.